detector has triggered. So now it show you that there is fire in the room. The house is burning. So see guys. So guys, we want to connect my sounder now. This is my sounder. This is my switch. This is cable, fire alarm cable for size 0.8 millimeter. This one is size 125 fire alarm resistant cable. It's used only for fire cabling the fire alarm system. Let me strip the cable so that I can use to connect the sounder. But still, my detector is still active. See the light, two lights is blinking, showing that the system is active.